What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. Today I'm going to be trying out the reverse cat eye. Now, I've seen Angela Bright do this on her channel. She did it so good. It looks amazing on her. And she actually got it off of Painted by Spencer. Now, I've looked at both of their channels. He did a phenomenal job as well. Hopefully I can try to recreate this look. I just thought it was going to be something fun, different. Actually, I had mentioned this to my friend Erica when we did our collab. So yeah, I just wanted to try it out, try something different, really. Get out of my comfort zone a little bit. So I'm going to be using e.l.f. products today. Surprise, surprise. If you've been watching me, you know I love e.l.f. products. They are amazing. They are totally worth their price. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette, and this is the one in Truffles. I'm going to be using the black, and then I'm also going to be using this color here. Now, to do the reverse cat eye look, you just need to use a little bit of that brown shade, and you're just going to kind of start buffing that in the crease and bring it up. I mean, you're going to run it all over your lid, but you're going to focus most of it in your crease and kind of flick it out is what she was doing. Oh, I hope I can recreate this. Like Angela Bright, she is amazing. She can sing too. The girl can sing. I should have pinned my hair back. And I'm just going to keep this one brown shade, and I'm just going to mainly focus it in my crease. Bring it up and down on the lid. Basically, you're going to be using the black to smoke out your bottom lash line. So I'm hoping I can do this somewhat decent. I've been playing around with a lot of color lately, so I was like, let's see if we can do this one. I'm gonna flick it out. It's gonna be weird not doing like main eyeshadow up here. I think the goal though is just to keep it light on the top. So now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in the shade Black. And you're going to put this on the top and bottom waterline. I just close my eyes to do this. You don't have to close your eyes to do this, but it's just the way that I do it. And then you kind of run the black a little lower on just like the outside of your lash a little bit. Just like that. And then you take a flat brush and you kind of smudge that out. And then I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. No Budge retractable eyeliner, and I'm going to bring it all the way to my corner here and here. You're just going to kind of like V it. And make sure you bring it to your outer edge as well. Then I'm going to take this super thin eyeliner brush and I'm just going to flick this edge out a bit on each side. This is the part that makes me nervous. Like so. I think the key is like to flick this out without making it too long. I guess you're gonna flick it out and up. Out and up. And then also on the inner corners, you want to drag out and make like a little point there. Here. Okay, and then I'm going to take just a small pencil brush and I'm going to add the black from the e.l.f. Truffles palette just to darken it up because it's not dark enough. I would love it to be a bit darker. So I'm just going to run right over top, and actually doing this is going to help set it and keep it in place. It's just going to help lock it in. Same thing. It looks so different just doing all the color on the bottom. And then I'm going to go back in with that little eyeliner brush and I'm just going to color in these points. And I'm actually going to like flick it out just a little bit. And then I'm also going to take that little pointer brush and just run right over top of this. Here. Ooh. I don't know how I feel about this. It does look like a reverse cat eye though. Meow. It's crazy. Okay, so I'm going to take that pencil brush that I used for the black. I'm just going to wipe it off. I'm going to dip into that brown that I used on my lid and I'm going to run it underneath of that black, just to kind of buff out the black. I think I'm going to go back and add a little bit more of that brown to my crease. Well, this is definitely different. Mm-hmm. I think I'm going to bring that brown out a little here. Flip it out. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply some Big Mood mascara. This is my favorite mascara from e.l.f. It's probably right now my favorite mascara that I use, period. I really love this mascara. It I don't know, in my opinion, it almost makes you look like you have false lashes on. It gives you a lot of volume. The length, I don't really need too much length. My lashes are decently long, so I love the volume that this gives you. But it's good, I like it. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. And this is a heated eyelash curler. I love this thing. It works so good. I'm going to apply some mascara. Okay, I think I have coated my lashes plenty. It's so weird because with having so much like black underneath, you can't really see the bottom lashes. All right, let's take my hair down and see what we got here. I don't know, you guys. What do you think? It's different for sure. It's really like throwing me off not having like too much going on my lid and like so much going on underneath. But it's not bad. Like, I don't mind it. It's different. It's getting me out my comfort zone, which is what I was trying for today. Just, you know, try something different. Sometimes you get so like stuck in your same routine that it is nice to get out and do something different. So when I seen Angela Bright's video, I was like, I want to try that for sure. But yeah, definitely let me know what you think about this look down in the comments. Would you try it? And if you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!